I recently just purchased the Canon PIXMA TS3150 printer for my business that is going to start in the UK soon. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that my business Desire 1709 is about to kick off in the UK. Whoop whoop! I'm so excited. So one of the things that I listed out in the preparatory process was that I will be needing a printer to create shipping labels, to print out order forms so that I can put in the packaging. So I recently went shopping for a printer and it just arrived this morning, and I thought it would be nice for me to actually share with you my first impression and what exactly is contained in the box, so that in case any one of you out there may be looking to buy a printer, at least this video is going to help you make an informed decision. So without further ado, let's jump right into this unboxing. So before deciding to go for this printer, I actually had a list of things I was looking out for, because I know that majority of my orders I could be getting them on the move, and I wouldn't want a case where I will be stuck with a printer that will not print for mobile. So one of the major features that I wrote out was that I wanted the printer to be wireless and to also be able to print directly from my phone. So this printer prints directly from the phone, and then it is wireless. And you can also, I also wanted something that, I wanted it to be a compound item where I could make photocopy, I could scan stuff, and this printer serves all of this purpose. So like, this printer eats all the notes for me. That's the reason I actually ended up with this printer. In terms of price, I paid 114 or 115 pounds for this printer, and I got it off Amazon. And I haven't even opened it. I'm just going to pop it open now so that we can see everything that is inside there. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that I wasn't sure if there was ink inside of this printer, so I ordered ink separately because I didn't want this printer to come and then I'll be found wanting. So I'm going to open it up now, and then we will confirm if it actually comes with his own ink already. I've got a scissors here. I'm just going to pop the box open so that we can see what is in there. Okay, so off the bat, I have the manual as usual right there, and then it comes with, oh wow, so okay, so I was actually wrong. It comes with that, I don't know if that is the, okay, yeah, that is it, ink. Okay, so it comes with first set of inks. That's so good. It comes with this first set of ink, one in black and the other one in color. I'm so excited, although I already bought an extra one, but I mean, that's fine. And then the next thing you will find in there is, of course, the power plug, and this. Oh, so you have, they pretty much just supported it with this. Just put those away. Ooh, it's so sleek. Wow. Wow. Really looks good. Really looks nice. The design is so very chic. It's so ladylike. Like me, yeah, so ladylike. On the top of it is just the basic functions. I'm just going to turn it over. And then it says wireless. It says direct, network, blah blah blah. Then it has the power button off and on. Then I think these are for like scanning and making photocopies. And yeah, that's the power button up there. Nothing different from a typical printer. But I mean, I wasn't sure it was going to come with the ink, because I know that, I didn't really, I'm not sure if I checked the full description to see if it comes with a printer with the ink color. But it looks really good. Off the box is I just like the fact that it's black and it's so chic. I know that this has nothing to do with the fact that it's going to do the job. That's just me. Like these little things are like the things that I look out for when I want to like put things in my space. So I'm already looking at how this is going to look, because I'm already creating like a separate space to be doing Design 1709 work in my house in the UK. So I'm already so excited about how, you know, this is going to fit into the space. You know, I'm definitely going to show you guys that space soon. So, you know, I'm already excited about how it's going to fit into the space, and you know, yeah. So basically, it's just a basic printer, and I'm trying to see. Okay, no, nothing there, just the basic writing, and that's it really, guys. That's it really. I'm going to plug it so that we're sure that it is working. I've just finished plugging it. I'm going to check. Can you hear? Really nice. Like everything is digital. It looks so sleek. So it's literally plug and play. It's ready to use. I'm going to see if my phone is going to connect to it immediately, even if I'm not going to print something directly, because that's another thing. Sometimes it's usually a struggle trying to connect phones and things like that to some printers. So I'm just going to see if my phone won't go through any of that. I'm just going to click on print. Let's see if my phone is going to find it. Select printer. This is supposed to be what series? Anyway, I'm going to check 3150. Oh, okay, so I think the printer needs to be connected, so I'm just going to go through all of that. I'm going to grab the manual now and have a quick look at it and see how I'm going to connect the network of the printer to the internet in the house so that this can work, you know, seamlessly. But all in all, I'm so excited about this printer. I cannot wait to start it. So guys, I'm basically just going to open the second container from Amazon, which basically is the printer ink. I guess that's the one that I bought because I wasn't sure that there was ink in the printer itself. So I'm just going to pop this open, and then you would have a look at it if it's the same one as because I didn't buy it from the same seller. You know, there are a lot of different sellers on Amazon. I bought them from 2 different people, and I think I think I bought this one directly from this ink is directly from Amazon. So I'm just going to pop it open. I mean, there's no point since I've already opened the printer. Let's quickly open everything. So I'm just going to open this, and then we will have a quick look at it, and that will be it for this video. So this one has this in there. I'm sure this is to support it so that it doesn't damage, and then this is the ink cartridge that is in there. So I'm just going to open it and see. So it's pretty much the same as the first one, but the first one has maybe a different packaging. So the first one has a different packaging and maybe a different name. This one says Kingway. This one says Kingway. I'm going to check the first one that came with the printer itself if it's the same manufacturer. Okay, so no, it is not. This is different. This one is made by Canon themselves, and then this one is made by Kingway, and hopefully it will do the same job. You know, I'm hopeful. And you know, I realized something, that the ones that come with the printer usually last longer. That's what I think. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I mean that's what I have kind of like noticed. So yeah, the ink that I bought is not the same from Canon. It's from a brand called Kingway. And yeah, I'm going to definitely link everything down below just in case you also want it, and you know, to make it easy for you to make a decision actually, because that's the reason I'm reviewing this, just so that if in case you want to buy one, you know, you can easily come to a decision because you probably have seen this video. So that's it guys. If it's your first time here, I hope you're subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be the first to know. I'm at T.G.Jonah on all social media platforms. Hit the follow button and let's connect. And until next time guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.